While Homer was repairing the roof, the nail gun suddenly misfired. The two messed around on the roof, and all the nails got stuck in Flanders' lawnmower. Just then, Ray's pager suddenly went off. His kids had gotten into trouble at home, and he had to rush back. Later, Homer went to the hardware store to buy tools and unexpectedly saw Ray there. They agreed to help Homer fix the roof after buying the tools. Homer returned home and started waiting for Ray on the roof. Homer waited until dark, but Ray never showed up to repair the roof. Marge suspected Ray didn't exist at all. He was a figment of Homer's imagination, but Homer insisted he had drunk with Ray, vividly told Marge stories about him and Ray, accidentally rolled off the roof, and was sent to a mental hospital by his family. The doctor told Homer that he could leave as long as he admitted Ray didn't exist. Marge also said no one except Homer had ever seen Ray. Homer asked Bart to testify for him, but Bart said he only saw Homer talking to himself that day. He then asked Flanders to testify, and Flanders also said he had only seen Homer that day. He even tried to get the bartender to prove Ray's existence, but learned Marge had called the bar in advance to confirm, and the bartender said he had never seen Ray. Everything was convincing, but just as the doctor was about to treat Homer, he saw Ray outside the window again.
What are you going to do over there? Come on!